Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial here on Blue NTS. Thank you for coming along. This time on the table we have this massive 12-inch Sunbrella or Parasol Fold. This fold resembles the relaxing moments with the sun on the beach, yachts, cruise ships or at the pool itself. This is a napkin ring fold, meaning you need rings with about 4 centimeters diameter or 1.5 inch till 2 inch diameters. For this fold, a table napkin of 50 by 50 centimeters or 20 by 20 inch is the best size to use. On today's fold, we will use different types of napkin rings to show you how they change or how they can change the appearance in seconds. Different materials like porcelain, brass, stainless steel or silver give the fold a different look in just seconds, from simple to a ultra luxurious look to the eye. Enough talk, let's get our tools. Before we start, I recommend to measure your ring, so your fold fits perfectly in the ring later on. The best practice here is to measure your ring diameter and then take off 0.5 centimeter or 1/4 inch. That way you know that your fold fits perfectly in the ring without wrinkling it up. Once done, we start folding an accordion fold of the measurements we just calculated. From the bottom edge, you fold pleat after pleat all the way up to the opposite edge. Using a folding bone to crease your pleats will help to make sure that they are crisp and sharp later on, so you get this very Sunbrella type of shape. As said, work precise and repeat until you reach the top. This type of fold is called the accordion fold, as this will be shown later on. Any mismatches here will be shown later in your final fold as asymmetrical. The thing with these type of folds is that you will really need to work very precise. Once you creased your edges, your pleats so to say, it's very difficult to take off these markings again. You will need an ironing iron to get your napkin again into the shape as you started. So once you are done, you crease everything really nicely and then you fold your accordion fold lengthwise to the half as shown here. Again, arranging everything, making sure everything is symmetrical. And then you take your napkin ring and then you feed the napkin ring in that fold as shown here. I'm using here a brass napkin ring. Once you feed it in, you fan out your fold as I do it here, and you already see it's not perfectly symmetrical, but we will fix that later. So we fold it out, then we readjust the napkin ring to the middle, and then we're making sure that everything is symmetrical and it's symmetrical. Have also a look at the edges, so depending on what you like or what your setting is, you can also turn around so that the hems are hidden away. That gives the fold an even cleaner look. Please like and subscribe this channel. That's very important for us as we want to continue making these type of videos. For the professional amongst you, this is a flat fold, therefore you can use this on a windy location such as on beaches, terraces or yacht cruise ship settings. The choice of the napkin ring greatly influences the appearance from this umbrella. It can range from a simple appearance to a very luxurious display. This fold can be also used in a vintage setting as it has something like an Art Deco leaf design. Check out my other videos on that. For this fold, you need a 50 by 50 cotton napkin. Let it pre-fold in the middle, that helps to increase folding speed. If there's an option, let the laundry department also starch your napkins. For upscale hotels, all metals for the rings are a good choice. For caterings and large banquetings, ribbons are even better, as you can vacuum clean them very easily. With practice, you should be able to fold about 40 till 45 napkins an hour. You can also pre-fold them and using them on the location as needed, as this accordion fold is very small and you can use an Euro box to store them. If you don't have a folding bone, we recommend you to use an steam ironing, as this one even helps to make the creases even more crisp. Anyway, this concludes the narration for today's fold. Leave a comment if you like this type of content and subscribe and like the channel, as it will help us to grow and show more folds in the future. From now on, there's no narration, so you can just fold along, very easy. There's no speed up, so everything is as done as you see it. Good luck and thank you. Bye bye for now.